Plenty there for the snowman. Oh yeah. I'm going to try the bigger snowblower. This is an old single stage job, so I don't know if it's going to be able to handle the snow today. It's pretty wet. I love this snowblower. It sure starts easy. Let's see. Choke it. 2, 3. And give her a pull. Check that out. That thing sure works smooth. Alright. Face it. I'm going to attempt to dig a video and work it. I don't think I can take a video at the same time. See what I got here. Pretty good. Trouble, the snow is so wet. I had to go to the 2 cycle. Well, thanks to the faithful Toro, I got it done. It's just too much for a single stage snowblower, the old one. This 2 cycle job, it gets more RPMs and can throw this wet snow. It's been a great snowblower. We've had it about 15 years. We really haven't had that much trouble with it of a serious nature, but it's just like used cars. When you have a problem, it all depends on the mechanic. And we did take it in one time. We were having trouble with it throwing snow, and they ended up charging us like $200. They put a new we call it impeller or whatever in there, and worked on the engine. Did a whole bunch of things like that. They supposedly replaced this, and that never has worked right. A lot of times it's real cold, it just doesn't recoil right after they worked on it. Anyways, we got it back, and it was the very same problem. I went out in the wet snow and it wouldn't throw it. Turned out all it was is it needed a new belt, which cost us about $8. So you know how that goes, but you know, it can't fault the machine because of poor repair work. And we do the sidewalks with this thing, and it can handle any kind of snow. I highly recommend these. Of course, probably today the new models are much better. A great little machine. We're going to keep using it until she finally dies. Well, this is our wonderful northern Michigan weather, and hopefully you're not experiencing the same thing. The neighbor over there working on his, he's shoveling away. He's got a snowblower too, but doing that little fine tuning work. See people all over the neighborhood out with their camcorders or digital cameras making videos for YouTube. Well, that's it for today. You have a good one.